how to stop lag in EA FC 25. Now if you're experiencing lag, this was commonplace in EA FC 24, and what solved it last year was coming up to the main page here and then going to the little cog in the top left hand corner. Then you want to go into settings and then game settings. Then you want to use your bumper to come along to visuals, and within visuals here you want to come down and find Hypermotion Insight Overlays, and you want to turn this off. Also you can turn off Player Performance Widget, as for some reason last year this was causing everyone's FC 24 to lag, and it seems to be happening again this year on FC 25. So hopefully that helps you out in the meantime before there's a patch out.